Chrissy, at 6:33, we have breaking news from overnight. There was a minor earthquake to report shook parts of Maryland.
The 2.1 magnitude quake happened around 2 a.m. near Highland, Maryland and Howard County. It was felt around the D.C. area.
Several people took to Twitter about it. This one saying that definitely felt an earthquake out here in Howard County.
Kate says, what was that huge boom that basically shook my entire house just now?
And another person saying their apartment shook. Fairly certain this was a minor earthquake, Rockville, Olney area, and we can tell you there are no reports of any damages at this time.